Good morning, students, and good morning to everyone. I'm super excited to be back with another lesson today. Today, I'm going to be talking about, first of all, I'm going to be with a different grade level today, so I should get to that first. I'm going to be actually working with fourth graders today. And it will be a shorter of a lesson, unfortunately, because I still do not have a child to teach. Although I would love to, but I just don't. But anyways, back to my point. Side note, all of that into the lesson now. We're here at our first day. We're all coming in this morning. Everyone's going to come in and sit down. We're going to have the word speed written up on my big whiteboard. And it's going to have a question mark right next to it. And I want all of my kids to come in as they have their sheet of paper on their desk. And they will get the question of asked, what is speed? How does it work? And I want them to write it down as we're all coming in the morning and saying hello to everyone. And I want to be able to walk around and see everyone's answers. And then we're going to come together as a group and we're going to talk, and I want to hear some of the students, and I want to hear about what they wrote or what they thought speed was. And then we're going to go ahead and go into a video about speed, because that's what we're going to be learning about. We're going to be learning about how an object, so an object is, it could be this. It could be this. An object is a thing, right? It could be your car. It can be a boat. It could be my hand. It could be whatever. But we're going to learn how things move. And there's a certain formula that you actually have to use when you're trying to find the speed and all of that. So we're going to turn on this short little video this morning, and we're going to get started with that, and then we're going to split up into groups afterwards, and I'm going to explain all of that after. But now we're going to get into this. So
in today's video, we'll be learning about speed. Are you ready? Let's begin. Have you ever wondered how fast things can go? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore together. Imagine you're watching a sports car race. That's all about speed. Speed is all about how fast something is moving. It's like a measure of how quickly an object gets from one place to another. If you ride your bike from your house to a friend's house down the street, you're covering a certain distance. Now, if you do it really fast, you're moving at a high speed. If you take your time and go slower, you're moving at a lower speed. To understand speed better, let's compare it. Amy and Ben are racing each other. Amy runs from the starting line to the finish line in 10 seconds, while Ben takes 20 seconds to do the same. So who's faster? That's right, that would be Amy. She covered the distance in less time. That means Amy has a higher speed compared to Ben. Scientist and mathematician.
that's all we're going to watch about. But it said in there, our definition for speed is traveling for an object from one place to another. So that is your definition. Did anyone write that? Okay, you guys did. You did. Okay. Well, we're gonna split off into groups now, and I have these wooden cars that I've got, and I'm going to split you guys off into fours. And what we're going to do is we're going to decorate these wooden cars, and then we're going to race them at the end of class today. We're going to see whose car goes the fastest, whose car goes the slowest, whose car went second, whose car was third. And we're just going to have this little race because, like he talked about in the video, that's one of the many of ways that you can see speed. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, it's not going to be that long, but I'm excited to continue to do more lessons like this. And I will see you guys soon.